Hi Ewan, thanks very much for the email on your Beko tumble dryer DCU7230W, and the pictures were really helpful. Look, the resistor, which is on the one side of the board, definitely looks like there's a crack on the resistor. This would cause the circuit board to have no power, and this is why you've got no power going to the display. There's also a small chip on the back at the middle of the board in the other picture that you sent me that looks like it's got a fracture or the burn mark on it as well, but the picture wasn't a large enough size for me really to see in detail. Big problem being is the first thing you want to do, just to make sure, is at the back right hand side of the actual tumble dryer is an electronic suppressor or filter. Now there's two wires coming out of that goes to the circuit board or to the front of the machine. Check that they've got 240 volts. If you've got 240 volts there, then it's definitely your board that's gone. Now, as you said in the email, you're worried about spending £70 putting a new board in and it blows straight away. These circuit boards can just go, but I will tell you a simple solution that might help you a lot here. If you go to the parts sheet at the bottom of the page, which I've created for you, you will find the genuine part number for the printed circuit board. Now, that circuit board is basically fitted to multiple different types of machine. So if you can either find an eBay listing or maybe an Amazon listing with that part number, you will be able to get a board cheaply, because sometimes engineers sell off old stock. And the other way of doing this would be to actually try and find another machine with maybe a blown heating system or a defunct motor or some other component on the machine that's not working. Sometimes you can actually pick up these machines for as little as £20 on eBay, and then you would be able to utilize the parts off that machine to repair yours, just trying to keep the machine going, because I hate to see them being scrapped. Even if we don't make any money out of it, I prefer to see you getting the machine working again rather than that going to the big scrap pile in the sky, as they say. I'm away in Germany at the moment, so I can't give you a one-to-one call, which you asked for. Although I would love to, it's just too much of my time, and I have to concentrate on making these videos for customers and other customers as well who send us questions in that I don't make videos for, because I'm actually in Berlin at the moment at the IFA trade show. This is the domestic appliance conference come trade exhibition, and it's the largest in Europe, and it only happens once a year. So I'm actually working away, as you can see, in Berlin. I can't believe the weather here either. The only thing I didn't pack was a fan and some summer gear. It's absolutely sweltering, 30 degrees, and I'm parked right next to one of the large canal systems on the outskirts of Berlin. Anyway, I found you the workshop manual, wiring diagram, and I've put a load of videos on the page to assist you in actually repairing the machine, and also some useful tips to go about finding a replacement circuit board for your actual tumble dryer. I hope it helps you. Have a great day, mate. A big ciao from Berlin.